Hi boys and girls, I'm giving you a quick review on Unit 13 before we take a test. So I actually took these questions from a test. The first question asks you, what are the attributes of a hexagon? So first you need to know what the word attribute means. So that means what makes up a hexagon. First thing you're going to always do when it asks you a question like this is you are going to count the number of sides. The number of sides tells you what kind of shape it is. So the attributes of a hexagon is that it has 6 sides. It also has 6 angles. That's the inside part where the 2 lines meet. So attributes of a hexagon would be 6 sides, 6 angles. I'm going to need you guys to get a piece of paper to solve the rest of these. Pause it until you have a paper. Okay, coming back to number 2. Which expression shows how to count the number of squares in the rows and columns? So first of all, columns go up and down, rows go side to side. I know that in the row there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 in the row, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So I'm going to count to 4 5 times. I'm going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. I needed to add one more purple there here. Please excuse me. Plus 4. So I've counted to 4 5 times. See? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. I could also know that there are 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. So I could count 5 in a row. So I could count 5. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. For number 2, how many squares are there total in this shape? Go ahead and pause and record your answer. Not with the cat. Okay. Kitty Hawk is teaching you number 3. Which rectangle has been partitioned into 5 columns and 3 rows? So partitioned means cut up equally. So I drew this one. You don't have to do it. It's not perfect, but I have 5 columns. Columns, remember, go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. For those smarty pants out there, I'm going to give you a trick. If there are 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 rows, you can use multiplication. You can do 5 times 3, and you get 15. Just a hint for next year on that one. Okay, number 4, I guess I skipped. Number 5, draw a cube. Pause for a minute and draw a cube on your paper. Number 6, which shape has 3D? Don't mind my drawing. But you could definitely tell that one of these two shapes is three-dimensional. Last one over here, number 7. Which circle has been partitioned into thirds? Partitioned means divided up into, and here's the important word, thirds. So they've both been partitioned, but which one has been making something that has thirds? Thirds, you should hear the word 3 in it. Write your answer down, A or B. Okay, number 8. Ask you which rectangle has been partitioned into equal parts. So that means which one's been divided up into equal parts? A, B, or C? Now finally, I'm going to come over here to my computer because I didn't draw them all out for you. And I'm going to pull up a question for you from the computer. All right. Back one more. Okay. Which 3 statements are true about quadrilaterals? But first of all, we need to know what a quadrilateral is. The word quad means 4. So a quadrilateral is going to have 4 sides. So we can automatically get rid of anything that says 3. So all quadrilaterals have 3 angles? Nope. All quadrilaterals have 3 sides? Nope. All quadrilaterals have 2 dimensions. That means all quadrilaterals have to be flat. All of them, that's the key word. Or all of them have to have 3 dimensions. All quadrilaterals have 4 angles. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides. Pick 2 answers that are correct. I know I'm a bit shaky holding it there. All right, let's look at the next question. Okay, it says match each picture with the number of equal shares the picture shows. So, does picture A show you, look at how it's divided up. Does it show you 2 halves, 3 thirds, or 4 fourths? Go ahead and mark the answer for this one. So A, B, or C? Look at the next picture. Does this picture have 2 halves, 3 thirds, or 4 fourths? Answer D, E, F. This last one looks like a peace, upside down peace sign. Does it have 2 halves, 3 thirds, or 4 fourths? You need to pause it in between to do it. Please do so. Which 3 squares have been partitioned, which means divided in half, into 2 halves? So we're going to look at A, B, C, D, and E. We're looking for 3 answer choices. So look at answer choice A. Is it in 2 halves that are equal? Look at answer choice B, 2 halves that are equal. C, 2 halves that are equal. D, 2 halves that are equal. E, 2 halves that are equal. The last one here says, Gabriel uses equations to find the total number of squares in the rows and columns of a rectangle. 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. Which rectangle could be Gabriel's rectangle? So we already know that Gabriel's rectangle has how many squares? It's 12 squares. So let's look at these and see which one has 12 squares. Okay, answer choice A has 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 24. If I counted all of them, it has 24. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that has 12. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6, guys. I'm just telling you, if I counted all these, it is not 12. And this one, just by looking at it, you can tell has way more than 12. So I only have one answer that makes any kind of sense. So I have gone over all the questions on your test. Please stop when I've asked you to stop. Jot down your answers. It's a review. And good luck when you take the test. I know you guys will do awesome. Talk to you later. Bye.